Imagine the deepest shame, the most profound dishonor for the mighty Roman Empire, the loss of its sacred legionary eagles. After the catastrophic defeat in the Teutoburg Forest, 3 eagles vanished into the Germanic wilderness. But one legendary general dared to venture back, not just for vengeance, but to reclaim Rome's very soul. Witness the epic moment the Roman eagle was restored. Germanicus at the Angrivarian Wall, 16 AD. The Roman eagle restored. Germanicus at the Angrivarian Wall, 16 AD. Lost eagles. For the Roman Empire, few defeats cut as deep as the Battle of the Teutoburg Forest in 9 AD. 3 legions, the 17th and 18th and 19th, under the command of Publius Quinctilius Varus, were utterly annihilated by a Germanic coalition led by Arminius. More than 20,000 legionaries perished, and 3 sacred legionary eagles, Aquilae, were lost to the barbarians. The loss of an Aquila was the ultimate disgrace, signifying the desecration of a legion's honor and a direct affront to the Roman state's divine favor. This wound festered in the Roman psyche, demanding not just vengeance, but the recovery of their lost symbols of power. The subsequent years saw Rome grappling with this humiliation, fearing further Germanic incursions and burning with the desire to avenge their fallen legions and reclaim their lost honor. This context sets the stage for the dramatic campaigns of Germanicus, a brilliant young general whose primary objective was not just to defeat the Germanic tribes, but to recover those precious lost eagles. The Teutoburg disaster, a scar on Roman pride, 9 AD. In 9 AD, the Teutoburg Forest became a graveyard for 3 Roman legions. Varus, overconfident and underestimating the cunning of the Cheruscan chieftain Arminius, marched his forces into a trap within the dense, unforgiving Germanic woods. The ensuing ambush was a massacre. The Roman formations, designed for open battle, were torn apart in the rugged terrain. Days of relentless fighting saw the legions systematically annihilated. The psychological impact on Rome was immense. Emperor Augustus famously cried out, "Quinctilius Varus, give me back my legions." The loss of the Aquilae was particularly galling, signifying a profound spiritual and military dishonor. For the next 7 years, Rome mourned and seethed, and the lost eagles became potent symbols of their shame and their thirst for retribution. Germanicus's vengeance campaigns, a quest for vindicating glory, 14 to 16 AD. Into this atmosphere stepped Germanicus Julius Caesar, a popular and highly capable general, adopted son of Emperor Tiberius. His mandate was clear: pacify Germania, punish Arminius, and crucially, recover the lost eagles. From 14 AD to 16 AD, Germanicus led a series of massive, well-organized campaigns deep into the heart of Germania. These were not mere punitive raids, but large-scale invasions, involving thousands of legionaries, auxiliaries, and naval support. His legions engaged Arminius's forces in several fierce battles, including the Battle of Edistaviso, the Pontes Longi, or Long Bridges, in 16 AD, where Arminius was defeated but escaped capture. The campaigns were grueling, fought in treacherous terrain against a fierce and elusive enemy. Yet, the memory of Teutoburg and the desire to restore Roman honor fueled the legion's resolve. The symbolic importance of the Aquilae, Rome's sacred honor. To truly grasp the significance of Germanicus's mission, one must understand the absolute sanctity of the Aquilae. The legionary eagle was more than a mere standard. It was a sacred object, embodying the legion's spirit, honor, and loyalty to Rome and its gods. Carved from gold or silver, mounted on a pole, and carried by an aquilifer, eagle-bearer, the Aquila was protected fiercely. Its loss was a catastrophe, meaning the legion had been utterly disgraced and often disbanded. The recovery of a lost eagle was an act of immense triumph, a symbolic redemption for the legion and the entire Roman state. The Angrivarian Wall campaign and the discovery, 16 AD, In 16 AD, following a hard-fought campaign, Germanicus's forces pushed deeper into Germanic territory, engaging various tribes, including the Angrivari and the Cherusci. They reached a location near the Angrivarian Wall, a defensive earthwork built by the Angrivarii tribe. It was in this region, close to the grim site of the Teutoburg Forest disaster, that Germanicus's legions undertook a painstaking search. They found evidence of the previous battle: scattered bones, broken weapons, and the remnants of Varus's annihilated forces. Amidst the harrowing landscape, a monumental discovery was made. The eagle of the 19th Legion was found. Tacitus, the Roman historian, describes it as a moment of profound emotion and triumph for the Roman army. The legionaries wept, rejoiced, and offered sacrifices. It was a partial vindication, a tangible symbol that Rome was reclaiming its pride from the very ground where it had suffered its deepest humiliation. Aftermath and legacy: a long road to full vengeance. The recovery of the 19th Legion's eagle was a massive psychological victory for Rome and a highlight of Germanicus's campaigns. He was granted a magnificent triumph in Rome upon his return, showcasing the recovered eagle. However, Germanicus was recalled by Emperor Tiberius, who believed that further campaigns in Germania were too costly and risky, arguing that leaving the Germanic tribes to their own internal squabbles was a more effective long-term strategy. The other two eagles remained lost for decades. The second eagle, likely from the 18th Legion, was recovered by Lucius Stertinius in 21 AD during a campaign against the Bructeri. The third and final eagle from the 17th Legion was finally recovered by Publius Gabinius in 42 AD under Emperor Claudius from the Chauci tribe. The long, arduous quest for these lost eagles underscores the profound symbolic importance Romans placed on their military standards. Their recovery was not just about retrieving metal objects, it was about restoring the dignitas and virtues of the Roman state, proving that even its most grievous wounds could eventually be healed. The recovery of the 19th Legion's eagle at the Angrivarian Wall under Germanicus stands as a powerful testament to Roman perseverance, their obsession with military honor, and the enduring psychological scars left by the Teutoburg Forest disaster. It was a crucial step in Rome's long journey of vengeance and restoration. Do you think the recovery of the eagles was more important than conquering Germania for Rome? Share your thoughts below.